Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Hi guys, today's video is Tamara's birthday party. And she's my friend at 1V, and also Rebecca is in 1V. And
what is your wish for Tamara?
I wish
Good health.
Tamara is happy.
Yes. What else?
And
Study
also
hard.
love me.
Yes.
And it's that.
See you soon.
See you soon.
At the party.
At the party.
A few moments later.
Come here, Mommy's here, come here.
Tamara.
Is that camera?
Yes.
For YouTube. A YouTuber. And my brother is a YouTuber.
Yes.
I'm actually a YouTuber.
Yes.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yes. Subscribe my channel.
I'm a YouTuber.
Yes, also.
YouTubers.
Oh, that's good.
YouTuber.
Happy birthday.
Ah.
Yes. Happy birthday, Tamara. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday to tomorrow.
Yes.
Can you hold it?
Dumating yun. Ha? Hindi, karating na namin eh. Karating na namin. Oo. Ay, karating na ng mga VIP. Mga VIP. Mga VIP. Karating na.
Kamusta? Anong balita?
I have a sticker for you.
Walang mahirap pa sila. Hirap pa kung
Ang mga bata ay nag-ticket.
tayo na. Ito nga, kumakain ako. Sabay-sabay na tayo.
Honestly, what's in that? Wait, I saw that.
Ay, what?
Later. Later, yeah? Kasi ito. Layo na naman pa.
Naglakad, nandiyan lang naman ang bahay.
Ma-practice kayo mama. Ma-practice. Oo, practice. Automatic yung pare. Automatic ah? Okay. Mas maano yun. Mas madali. Di ba? Yeah, automatic. Oo. Kaya na, kumakain pa bago kami. Oo eh. Halit na nagkagisingan.
Hanggang magladik, hanggang maninigas siya. Hanggang maninigas na maninigas. Hanggang nawawala na yung...
I don't have a What do you?
Hanggang
Wala niya sarili mo, ipagluto ka na lang dito.
I like it. You should have asked about your leg.
It's alright.
At least maganda ang panahon.
Why your eyes
Ganda pa ganito lang.
Okay lang.
Why your eyes red? Yeah, why your eyes? Because you're tired, I know that. No. Can you take that?
Okay.
Galing kuya, yes!
Guys, subscribe to Maparoni, Kokoroni, and subscribe to them two channels. Shout out to Maparoni and Kokoroni there.
My daddy's vlog.
This is your channel, Jewel. You have channel, Jewel channel. Just search Jewel channel, you can see it.
Alright, let me see.
Yeah.
Do you know
Rebecca, how are you?
Do you know what
Good.
I like? Hi. What happened to my hand, guys?
Jewel, G.
What happened to mine?
W-E-L. Then channel.
G-S-A. Smile! Let's go in the park. Okay. I want to do video in the park. Ayan yung playground. Ayan yung playground. Andito. Come on, Rebecca. Let's go in the playground. Ayan. Ganda yung buhay sa playground. Ganda. We just have a little walk in the playground. Ayan si Rebecca. She's practicing exercise. Ganyan, ayan. Ayan. Ayan yung exercise part. Ayan. Diyan si Rebecca. Natakbo.
Galing mo!
Ay. Sandali lang! Sandali! Sandali lang! Sandali! Ayan. Yung Rebecca's kuya. Yan.
Anong gusto mo? Pansit? Adobo?
Oh, pansit saka tumaan.
May pansit, may adobo, may rice. Mag-alala, bubuhay na naman. May kanin hindi nawawala sa...
Pwede yata siya doon sa breakfast sa
mga Pilipinas.
Hello, I'm enjoying.
Yeah. Isa rin.
Parang naghahanap ako ng drinks. Ay, grabe, nagbablog mo yan.
Vlog natin sa may memory. Kay Tamara.
Baka may tinga-tinga pa. Di ba na ate yung kasama mo na? Not to my face corner, please. Sila lang lagi. Hindi naman kami magkakasama ng mga yun. Kami din natin, lagi kami nagpipiknik. Every Friday. Dito ka.
Oh, sige. Yan, mami ni Tamara. Kita.
No one is there. Ako lola ni Tamara.
Yan, Lola. Grandma ni Tamara.
Pina-play.
Hi, sis.
What you?
Huh?
Friend? Cousin? Friend. Oh, traffic nga. Ito, no? Oh, sige, sige. See you guys. Balik kami, ha? Balik kami. See you.
2,000 years later.
Grabe init.
Guys, oh yan.
Hi guys, so today I'm making a vlog about the whole birthday situation. Kanina pa kayo? Oo, alauna diba? Pero late din naman kami. Not as late as kumain na lang. Kanina mag-send ng picture. Sabi niya, dito kami, puro katuyan. Buti na lang nakuha niyo. Hindi nakuha ko yun.
Ayun.
Puro kahoy nakita ko eh. Oo nga yun.
Pupunta na naman ako. Dalawa pa talaga yun.
Dalawa ako, magagawa birthday.
So, quarter, half dito, maglalasing siya. Other half doon pala.
Salas yung
Para
ano.
full naman.
Siyempre, alaga ako yun eh.
Bye po, nice to meet you.
Alaga ako yun eh. Pwede, pwede.
Sige po, te. Ingat po, ha.
Thank you, thank you.
Salamat, ate.
Huwag lang yung dilaw. Inom kayo dyan, inom kayo. Huwag lang yung dilaw. Yung dilaw ay napula.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. and Mrs. Chuma Chuma Chichu.
Hi guys!
Oh, mag-subscribe kayo.
Nung isang araw nagtatanong kami kung
ano yung pangalan mo.
Ano
Eh,
ba?
nakita ko yung sa invitation. Baka yun na yung pangalan. Kasi ang alam lang namin, baby, di ba?
Baby,
Oo.
baby.
Di ba nga?
Oo, Fatima nga. Kasi noon, sabihin mo na, oh, ano pangalan mo, Fatima? Sabi niya, oh, my friend is coming, my friend Fatima. Pagdating ko, sabi na, you don't look like a Fatima. Kasi yung naka-hijab.
Gano'n?
Ano? Oo. Sabi niya, saan ka? Where did you come from? Sabi ko, Philippines. You don't look like a Philippines. Sabi ko, you don't look like nothing.
Ano ka mo, ano? Yung look like, ano?
Sabi ko, do I look like human, animal, what?
Eh, ganda.
Ay, mga ano siguro. Kasi ano naman tayo. Yun na tayo.
Ano, either, yung may ano.
Good job.
I take a video.
Yeah. We have a channel, YouTube channel. You can subscribe Jewel channel.
I'm a pro of making my own ads.
Oh really? Oh,
Yeah.
Jewel also, yeah. Jewel channel. Just type Jewel channel. You can see.
With me, right?
Yes, man. Wow.
My turn now. Okay, last one. Last one. Last one. Fun? Yeah. It's my turn. You see it. Ayun na, I want to.
Tayo mula ako, ano, mauna may pasok ako.
May pasok ka pa!
Sila na may iwan ito. Line pa naman. 9 o'clock. Oh, salamat salamat.
Thank you. Ay, may ganun pala yun.
Outro. Oh, salamat, salamat. Oo, mag-outro muna ako. Thank you, thank you. Salamat. Thank you, ha. Oh, salamat muna ako.
See you.